machine's pretty easy to use. So here we are in Barcelona Metro, and we're going to buy some tickets. So when we walk up, the machine's already got a bunch of options for us. You can buy one ticket, and one ticket costs €2. However, you can buy this set of 10 tickets for $9 or €9.80, which obviously comes out much better. For most people, getting the multi-day passes probably won't make sense because it's quite difficult to travel that many times on the bus or the train, or etc. So for the vast majority of people that are visiting the T10 carnet, the 10 tickets, it's automatically for one zone, which luckily here in Barcelona covers almost all the major areas. We don't need to increase the quantity. If you wanted more, you could get more, but we'll leave it at the default. We'll confirm that's what I want, and now we get to pay. So in this case, I'm going to pay with a credit card. I've got to pump in my PIN.
Reculli la targeta.
Oops. Well, let's try this again.
Recoja la tarjeta.
Recoja la tarjeta. That means I get it down here. Boom. And that's what it looks like.